Hey guys, what's up? It's the Shining Blue Mew, and I got this today in the mail. So yeah, I got this package from Japan. Judging by their writings and a JP post, I know what's inside, but I'm not gonna spoil this. Yeah. So let's just go get our scissors and let's start cutting. Sorry for the quality of this video, by the way, because I'm using my phone's camera. I don't want to cut through anything, so am I cutting through? This is really thick package. Oh, there's more. There's more. Wait, there's more. Ah. Alright, there we go. So there's the inner thingo, and there's an inner layer of stuff, and it's full of tape. And you see, I don't want to cut through anything. Let's just rip it. And this bubble wrap. There's more bubble wrap. Oh yes, I'm really excited. This was packaged really awesome. So yeah. Oh, what is this? Just some green thing. Not sure, but yeah. So let's open. Okay. So there we go. Oh, this is nice. Really looking nice. Oh, cool. So here we go. Here's what I got. So let's start with a note. Oh, so this is a note from the seller. Really awesome. So it says, "Hello, thank you for buying an item for me. I'm glad for an item to arrive at your house safely. If you have any questions or problem, please feel free to contact me anytime. Please request if there are any single card which you are looking for. I stock about 40,000 cards. Oh wow, it's a lot. 40,000. VS Series 2 Black and White Series. Since other Pokemon goods are also dealt with, please do not hesitate to request. I look forward to doing business with you again. Many thanks, Takashi Kasuge. Yeah, Takashi, thank you so much. So yeah, so it came with this. Oh wow, this is awesome. Whoa, this is really awesome looking. Seriously, he gave a Pokemon Center bag together with the package. So a good look at that. I never went to Japan, so this is nice. A Pikachu Adino on here, and oops. Here we got a Oshawott tapping and slowly. So thank you so much. That's really awesome. Never actually looked at that. And now on to the real purchase. Let's just fold. Oh no, now I don't know how to fold it properly. Yeah. Yay. So yes, here's my real purchase. Here's a little preview of that. This is like awesome. This is my first package from Japan, and this is a really nice. This is really cool. So what I got was some Eevee sleeves. Got 2 packs of them. These are for my deck. For my new deck that I'm building. I'm really progressing in it, so I got these Eevee sleeves. I wanted to get like the variety, but it only had 32 per pack, and I needed like 60 for a full deck. So awesome! I'll just open one to see how it really feels like. Let's open it carefully. These sleeves are awesome. Yeah, it's so cool. Worth it. I really like it. I really like these sleeves. Awesome. So I bought those Eevee sleeves. The Flareon. There were other sleeves too, like the Leafeon, Glaceon, and the Umbreon, Espeon. But I decided to get these because I don't know. Then I got a deck box of Eeveenness. Wow. This is really cool, and it has the Velcro. And oh, so here's some like dividers thingos. I don't know. Really cool. Oh, it's pretty cute. So I'm just gonna be showing you that. Here's Eevee in front. And then we've got some evolutions over there. Then Glaceon. Oh no, not Glaceon. Espeon, Umbreon, Vaporeon, Jolteon, and Flareon. Glaceon, and Leafeon, and Eevee here. Wow. This is really amazing. I really like these. And I believe you could fit more than one deck here. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, so yeah, see you guys later. Bye. So awesome. I really like this. It's really cuteness overload. See you guys later. Bye.